It's a pretty well-known fact that the Google Pixel 2 has a darn good camera. But what happens when we amplify that with a good quality lens? I recently tested out the Moment wide lens with its Google Pixel 2 case, and boy was it everything I could have ever wanted in a pocket shooter. Let's take a look. If you've even explored the idea of adding a lens to your mobile phone, you've probably already heard of Moment. They're known for making lenses for iPhones, Samsungs, iPads, and now the Pixel devices. It works pretty simply. You first need their phone case that runs from $24 to $30, and then you'll need one of their lenses. They are specifically designed to lock into the case. Easy in, easy out. My version is a wood-backed phone case for the Pixel 2 they call a photo case, which is a pretty spiffy case in itself. The first combo we decided to buy was the $99 wide lens to go with it. Moment also has additional lens like the telephoto, macro, and super fisheye. All the Moment lenses come with a lens cap and microfiber bag, which gives you a sense of security carrying it around everywhere. To be honest, my only gripe with this lens was that it was a little on the heavy side. I totally get that the glass and metal are of high quality and already lightweight, but when you're carrying this around with you in your hand while walking down the street for miles, or even carrying the lens around with you in a purse, it still adds to your weight count and, quite honestly, a little scary. A bump here or a trip there, and your $99 lens could end up right on the floor shattered. I love that these aren't the cheap clip-on accessories that have dominated the scene. This lens is full of space-grade metal made from glass. The curve and design of the lens itself also adds character, but that's pretty irrelevant. You're here because you want to see what this lens can do for your photos and videos. Snapping the lenses into place is genuinely very simple. You simply align the line on the lens with the plus and minus signs and rotate it 90 degrees. It's now screwed on and you're ready to go. Using this wide lens extends what the Pixel 2 would normally see without it by nearly 2 times. The fact that I can get so much more information crammed into my photo without running further away from my subject really is understated. This photo is taken with just the Pixel's camera alone. You'll see a little bit of the glass building behind the trees and part of the building to the left. Now, I took the same photo in the same spot with a Moment lens. You can see the surrounding buildings, the other families sitting nearby, and the entirety of the glass building. Next up, I took a photo of the opposite side of the plaza of the view. You can see a close-up of the shrubbery up front and the buildings and clouds in the back. Here, you can see the huge difference the lens makes. The surrounding buildings are now all shown, and you can see more of the mountains in the back. Finally, we see a video that Alex took of me waving using just the Pixel's lens on video. Here, we see the same view with the Moment lens. A little bit of a difference, but with more space. The best part of these lenses is the amazing views you capture with it, especially when traveling. Here's a fisherman village we passed by on a hike on a relatively sunny day. You can see the clouds peeking through the sky and a clear view of the bay below. Even in portrait mode, the wide lens shines. Here's a photo of my delicious rose ice cream with lanterns in the back. The carrying pouch and its small size makes it very portable, but if it weighed just a little bit less, I would have been more pleased. Nevertheless, I'm a huge fan and I'm looking to eventually obtain other lenses from Moment as well in the future. Everything from their simple design to high-performing lenses just improves upon an already top-grade mobile camera. And in this digital age, having the ability to take such amazing shots with such a small body is too irresistible. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button below so that you don't miss a single video in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!